The Pickle Plant Succulent, a guide to growing and caring for this unique plant. If you're looking for a unique and fascinating addition to your succulent collection, look no further than the Pickle Plant Succulent. This quirky plant, also known as Delosperma echinatum, is native to South Africa and is prized for its unusual appearance and easy care requirements. The Pickle Plant Succulent is a member of the ice plant family and is prized for its distinctive appearance. This plant is characterized by its finger-like stems, which are covered in tiny, green, pickle-shaped leaves. The leaves are covered in tiny white hairs, giving them a fuzzy appearance. The plant produces bright pink flowers in the summer, which add a pop of color to any succulent garden. The Pickle Plant Succulent thrives in well-draining soil. A mixture of succulent soil and perlite or sand works well for this plant. This succulent loves bright, indirect sunlight. Place it near a south-facing window or under a grow light for best results. The Pickle Plant Succulent is drought-tolerant and should be watered sparingly. Water deeply when the soil is completely dry, but be careful not to overwater. This plant prefers temperatures between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. It can tolerate colder temperatures for short periods but should be protected from frost. The Pickle Plant Succulent does well in low to moderate humidity. Fertilizing your Pickle Plant Succulent is not necessary, but it can help promote growth and flowering. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once per month during the growing season. The Pickle Plant Succulent does not require pruning, but you can pinch back the stems to encourage bushier growth. Propagating the Pickle Plant Succulent is easy. Simply take a stem cutting and allow it to callus over for a few days. Put the cutting in well-draining soil and maintain the moisture level of the soil until it roots. The Pickle Plant Succulent is relatively pest and disease resistant, but it can be susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Keep an eye out for mealybugs and spider mites, which can be treated with insecticidal soap. The Pickle Plant Succulent is easy to care for, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced succulent enthusiasts. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.